Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change a country on Amazon. In order to change a country on Amazon is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is basically launch the Amazon application and just make sure you are signed into your account. After you have done that, just tap on this account icon in the bottom and then you should be able to see your current country that is selected. So in my case, the current country is selected is UK. So the flag that you are seeing here is from the United Kingdom. So if I want to change it, I just need to tap on this icon here. Then as you can see, the country or region is set to United Kingdoms. I can select this little option here. Then I can simply change it to the country that I want. So let's say I want to go for this France. Just tap on this France, tap on it. You can select the language as well. And then tap on this continue in order to change your country or region. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.